Real estate video is a great way to sell a listing. Who doesn't want a high-flying video of their entire estate? But how much is real estate videography pricing? Decades ago, potential buyers got printouts out of the MLS. Today, most of them are looking at listings online and bookmarking the ones that are most interesting. But though we know that real estate video is effective, it can be difficult to quantify its value. How much faster does a listing sell with videography? How much more money does it bring? What's a fair price? In this video, we're going to answer all those questions and more. Let's jump in. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. So real quick, what is real estate videography? Professional videography and photography take longer than one might think. It may take only an hour or 2 to shoot, but it may take a full day or even days for the video editing. According to a study by Biteable, videography increased interest in listings by 400% and traffic by 300%. Because of that, these services are usually at a premium. There are 2 major types of real estate videography: walkthroughs and aerial footage. For walkthroughs, a real estate agent usually takes regular photography, but you could also take videography. A photographer might even stitch together photos and videos for a 3D tour. For aerial footage, you have both aerial photography and drone videography. These can be used for fly-throughs or for images of a large lot. Real estate photography is often what really sells a buyer on visiting a property. Without real estate photography, you might not even be able to get them in the door. So that leads us to what's the average price for real estate videography. Real estate video pricing will be slightly more than real estate photo pricing. There are simply more factors to consider and more expensive technology involved. A general rule of thumb is that you can expect to pay around $100 to $200 an hour for either a photographer or videographer. That might work out to about $100 to $200 for a simple listing shoot and around $200 to $500 for a video shoot. 51% of real estate professionals believe that video marketing has the highest ROI. A very good videographer may cost up to $1,500 per listing, but that would be a large listing, such as a large luxury property. It may also include a travel fee if the property is very remote. If the videographer is required to do extensive editing, such as actually creating a commercial for the listing or update it for YouTube, the price will be more expensive. For a very basic shoot, you can likely get away with around $200 to $300. But you do pay for the quality of a shoot. Most real estate videographers make around $40,000 to $50,000 a year. While they have a high hourly rate, they aren't always on the job. Their hourly rate includes post-production work and support. So then what else affects real estate videography pricing? When calculating a fair price, the price has to be based on the work that's being delivered. Generally, the price is influenced by how much footage you want. If you want 8 aerial photos, you'll get a lower price. If you want 20, you'll get a higher price. Remember that it isn't just about the raw footage. The photographer or videographer will have to edit all the photos and videos taken. You're also paying for work in post, and that takes time. Additionally, add-ons such as a 3D walkthrough will cost more. The company may also need to provide support for that walkthrough or ongoing server costs. If you want affordable services, you can usually purchase a photography pack for around $200 or a videography pack for around $300 to $400. These are pre-designed packs that will include something like 5 edited images, 5 minutes of aerial photography, etc. The best way to find the right videographer at the right price point is to shop around in your area. And as with many things in the real estate business, consider asking for referrals. So then, can you hire a non-real estate videographer? What's so special about real estate videography? Why can't you just work with anyone in the videography business? Videographers who specialize in real estate understand the real estate industry. They know which shots you'll want of a house, what you want to be framed, and what a listing should look like. While you can hire a general videographer, and it might even be cheaper, they may not be able to provide an end result that a potential buyer will be interested in. When hiring a real estate videographer, you can look at their existing portfolio and see what type of work they usually produce. It'll be an easy apples to apples comparison. Comparatively, you might not know how a company that primarily shoots explainer videos or commercials will shoot your property. So then, is real estate videography worth it for you? Before you consider real estate videography pricing, you'll have to figure out if it's worth it for your business. The goal of real estate photography and videography is, of course, to sell the property. If you can sell the property with ease without a professional real estate photographer or drone photographer, those services might not be worth it for you. But the other huge benefit you have to think about is branding. I've won listings simply because I've shown my clients my past listing videos, and that's sealed the deal. So how can you put a value on that? But ultimately, take a look at your competition. What are other agents in your area doing? What are they posting to social media? Creating high quality videos for your real estate listings can help you stand out amongst the sea of real estate agents. For many agents, listing videos becomes just a part of their brand. And just like it's hard to put a price on what a brand is worth, so too can be said for real estate videography pricing. So can you do your own video production? Well, you probably don't want to purchase a drone to get your own drone footage, though you can, and they span the gamut from $300 to $3,000. But a listing video, a walkthrough video, for most of your listings, it's very possible that you can do the video work on your own. Many real estate agents will do their own video and photo shoots with their smartphones or tablets. And in that case, your real estate video pricing is free. You can't get much fairer than free. You just need to know the basics of editing. There's an art to knowing when you can do your own real estate marketing and when you might want a professional. With a high value property, your own tour might not cut it. You might want to hire a professional videographer to create a 3D tour. On the other hand, with a small condo or piece of land, there's no reason you can't do real estate photos and videos without the help of a professional videography service. And it's always possible that your brokerage might want to hire a videographer and put them on your team. Having an in-house videographer could ultimately pay off for the broker in increased sales. So what else do I need to know about videography for my listings? Like a lot of things, prices are local. If you're in a rural area, it'll be at the low end. If you're in a major city, you may be at the high end. Not every listing lends itself well to video tours or aerial footage. A video tour of a small townhome may not be worth it. You can likely get away with good photos. But when you're selling a luxury property, a virtual tour might just be what you need. And everyone loves overhead footage of a rural estate. It's up to you to decide whether video marketing is the right choice for you. But don't forget that there's a lot you can do on your own with the right technology. Speaking of which, if you're looking for some tips to improve your own real estate photography, head over to my other video that I'll link above. And lastly, let's wrap up with some frequently asked questions on videography pricing. First, do potential buyers react better to video or photos? An ideal real estate listing should have both video and photos for a potential buyer. You don't need to have footage made professionally. For many listings, you may be able to record your own video. As a whole, however, buyers appear to react much better to videos. So then where should I put my real estate videos? Of course, videography generally doesn't go well on the MLS. Videography will usually go on your own blog, social media accounts, YouTube, and as links on other sites such as classified listings. So then how do you find a good real estate videographer? There are many videographers out there. Ideally, you should work with a videographer who specializes in real estate. They will have a more thorough understanding of your needs and be able to produce the work faster. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads. And I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called the Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. How has real estate videography helped grow your business? Let me know in the comments below. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.